Imagine boarding one of the safest planes in the world, a Boeing 7730ER, only to find yourself in a situation no one could have predicted. On May 21st, Singapore Airlines Flight 321, flying from London to Singapore, experienced a tragedy that left the aviation world in shock. What happened that day, and could it have been avoided? The flight began like any other, with over 280 passengers and crew settling in for the long journey. The skies were clear and everything seemed routine, until it wasn't. As the aircraft approached its cruising altitude over the Indian Ocean, an unexpected emergency unfolded. Passengers described a loud bang reverberating through the cabin. The once calm environment turned into chaos as the plane suddenly plunged several thousand feet. Oxygen masks deployed, alarms blared, and the crew scrambled to maintain control. Now here's where it gets even more puzzling. What could cause a state-of-the-art aircraft, with no prior mechanical issues, to face such a critical situation? Was it a technical failure, or something more sinister? If you were on this flight, what would be your first reaction? Would you stay calm and follow instructions, or would panic take over? Let us know in the comments below. The pilots fought valiantly to stabilize the aircraft, but the mystery deepened when air traffic control received a chilling message. Mayday, Mayday, we're losing control. Stay tuned as we unravel the shocking details of what truly happened on Singapore Airlines Flight 321. The answer will leave you questioning the safety of even the most advanced planes.